Even in the best-run plants, unplanned outages or lengthy scheduled maintenance downtime is extremely costly and difficult to manage. Sometimes, the best way to get you back on schedule and online is to call an outside contract service company who's ready to respond with highly skilled personnel and specialized equipment. That's where Tri-Tool Services has you covered. We maintain a nationwide network of facilities and field technicians, standing by with the latest portable machinery to perform timely and reliable on-site piping system repair and code welding services. As one of the country's top machinery manufacturers, Tri-Tool has exactly the right equipment for any project challenges. If your needs are beyond the scope of existing machinery, Tri-Tool has extensive equipment engineering and manufacturing resources to customize tools or design and build completely custom equipment just for you. That's what sets us apart from service-only companies. For non-typical maintenance requirements, Tri-Tool's cost-effective equipment rental options ensure your maintenance personnel always have safe, high-performance machine tools to do their job right the first time. Call Tri-Tool Services and learn about the dependable on-site services we provide and how we guarantee to respond quickly and reliably whenever and wherever you need us.